Alright, good morning shadows, and we are at the train station waiting for our train, and as per usual I am super early, so yeah, I've got a little bit of time, but it's a really nice morning, so I'm just gonna chill. I had myself a little hot cocoa and a scone, so yeah, so we are headed to Newcastle. We are there for 4 days, and then which I'm super excited about, but I'm even more excited to go to Edinburgh for 2 weeks because we'll be there during Halloween, so that's gonna be pretty cool. Yeah, now it's all just waiting. Newcastle seems to, sorry about the noise, Newcastle seems to be like a windy city, so there's a lot of wind. Today we are going to tool around town. There is no free tour, so I found this online kind of like tour that someone did. I'll link in the description below to it in case you want to come to Newcastle. I guess there are like tours, but none of them are free. So I'm just going to follow this, see a few things, and try not to freeze my ass off. So yeah, let's get this day started. We are up and about, and it is our last day in Newcastle. We are going to check out a few things, just kind of roam around. I spotted some stuff. We're gonna try to see if I can find it. But first, the first thing I spotted was this. Check it out. Pretty cool, right? We're also gonna check out a couple parks, and then one other cool building, and then that's it for Newcastle. And we're heading for our 2 weeks in Edinburgh, which I'm going to be a weather person right now, is said to be the coldest snap in Britain, the United Kingdom, in quite a while. So they're even saying we might get some snow. Let's get this day going. it's coming off the heels of York, and absolutely loved York. But it's really nice. Has some pretty parks, some nice historical monuments. So definitely check it out. This is also where I'm leaving England. So yeah, I absolutely fell in love with England, in particular London. So right now I am trying to figure out how to relocate here permanently, and that will happen at some point. Anyway, definitely, this wind, no joke. I definitely loved it. A lot more than I thought I was going to. You know, I fell in love with Romania, but I think London is calling, if you know what I mean. So that is where I'm gonna leave Newcastle as well as England. I'm heading to Edinburgh tomorrow for our month in Scotland. And yeah, so guys, let me know what you think. Make sure you check in the description box below to all the links to my social media as well as my blog, so you get the full 360-degree experience with me. And yeah, until next video, guys, safe journeys.